Hello viewers, welcome to Kid and Food Diaries. Do you know which fruit it is? This is a wild but edible fruit which is commonly known as bitter orange, or we in Kannada we call it as kanchuli. It grows in trees and by appearance it looks like sweet lime or musambi, but taste is bitter and very tangy when compared to sweet lime or any other lemon. So it is commonly known as bitter orange. It cannot be eaten as such, but it has many culinary and especially therapeutic uses. So today I am going to show you a traditional preparation of this bitter orange where we preserve it and I'll be showing you how it is useful in some home remedies. We preserve the peel of this fruit by pickling it, while the juice is used for some other preparations. Both this peel and the juice have their own medicinal uses, so we make use of both of them. So here we are separating juice from all the fruits and keeping the peel aside. Once we remove juice from all the fruits, we chop the peel into smaller pieces like this. And then we take a glass or a ceramic jar like this and we layer it with the chopped pieces of the bitter orange peel, and over this we are sprinkling some salt like this, rock salt. So we are continuing this process until we are done with all the chopped peels of the bitter orange. This is how it looks on day 1, and after we are done with the layering, we are closing it and keeping it aside. And this is after 1 week how it looks after 1 week, and we can store it for a very long time. So this is a one which we had pickled last year and we are still using it, and this has a lot of therapeutic value. Especially it is used for treating stomach ailments like indigestion, food poisoning and all. So how to use it? I'll be showing you one recipe where we use this pickled bitter orange peels. So this recipe can be effectively used as home remedies for stomach ailments. So all we need is 1 cup of coconut, a piece of pickled bitter orange and 2 red chilies. You're going to slightly roast the red chili and add this to coconut, and we are going to grind this to a very smooth paste. This is how it should be, and we can add enough water to bring it to right consistency. Now we are going to boil it. And once it starts boiling, we are going to add 1 cup of buttermilk to it. And then we are adding some salt and again boiling it. Once it starts boiling properly, we are going to switch off the flame. We call this pickled bitter orange peel as kanch sattu, and this recipe is called kanchsat tambli. This is now ready and we are tempering it with mustard and garlic. So this recipe we use as a remedy for different types of stomach problems, especially in kids. It may be indigestion problems or food poisoning or any kind of stomach problem. Whenever kids have this, we quickly prepare this recipe and serve this with boiled rice. So this works very well for especially for kids. So we have seen how to use the peel of bitter orange. Now we will see what to do with this juice. This juice is also known to have many medicinal values, but most importantly it has a unique property, that is the wound healing property. So we prepare a kind of oil from this juice which we use as a homemade antiseptic medicine. So here we have taken 1 cup of this juice, to which we have added 1 cup of coconut oil. We are going to boil this continuously for about 20 minutes. So the boiling has started, and when we continuously boil it, all the water content will be removed from this and only the oil will be left, and that oil is having a lot of medicinal property, and especially it is used to treat the wounds or the cuts. So it quickly heals the wounds and cuts. Also it can be used for the muscle pain or any kind of joint pains as well. Basically we use this oil for any kind of wound or cuts, and I must tell you, we never buy any kind of antiseptic cream from the medical store. This oil works best for us. So those were two traditional home remedies using the bitter orange or the kancholi. And apart from that, juice of bitter orange is also used in preparing chitrana or masala rice. I have already shown you how to prepare masala rice in one of my videos. If you want, I can share the link again in the description. That is how we make use of this wonderful fruit in our home. So if you happen to find this fruit anywhere around you, don't ignore them next time. Instead, bring them home and prepare the oil or the pickle and store them in your kitchen cupboard for your future uses. That's all for today. We'll meet you next week with another interesting video. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you for watching.